In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Apollo IO. Whether you're looking to update your password for security reasons or simply want a change, this quick guide will walk you through the process in just a few easy steps. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Make sure this is a browser you're familiar with to make the process as smooth as possible. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Apollo IO and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the official Apollo IO website and click on the link to be directed to their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. You can do this using either your email and password credentials, or if your company supports it, through single sign-on, commonly referred to as SSO. If you're not sure which to use, it's safest to stick with the method you used when setting up your account. After you've logged in successfully, locate the admin settings. This can be found in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Apollo IO has kept this section pretty user-friendly, so it's hard to miss. Once you find it, click on Admin Settings and from the drop-down menu, select All Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page offering various options you can adjust according to your needs. Now, here's where you'll find the password settings. Look for the section within your settings menu that refers to your account or security. There, you should see a field labeled Password. Next to it, there will be a pencil icon. The pencil icon signifies that the field is editable. Clicking on it will open up a new prompt, allowing you to enter your new desired password. Make sure it's strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. A good password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. So take a moment to think of one that balances security and memorability. Once you've made your changes, the final step is to save these adjustments. Find the Save button at the bottom of the page and click on it. This ensures that your new password takes effect and is updated in the system. You'll get a confirmation message telling you the changes have been saved successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Apollo IO password. Make sure to log out and try logging back in with your new password to ensure everything is working smoothly. Keeping your account credentials up to date and secure is essential, so revisit this process whenever you need to make another update. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your Apollo experience even better.